Hello guys, welcome back to another video. First of all, I would like to thank you for everyone for supporting me by subscribing and liking my channel. I really appreciate, and that is what pushed me actually to make more videos. So today I have a video regarding my new delivery, and I thought I will just share my tools with you. So let's just open the box. I have already cut the box, I have not opened it, so let's just see what is inside. Okay, so the first tool, if I open these ones, these are mobile storage boxes. So these are actually very handy for me, and if you get a phone which gets delayed and you have to put it on site, so this is very actually handy. This is very handy for me, yeah. So I can put the parts and phone, everything together in one box. So how does it open? Okay, so the phone will go here, and it has two more compartments, this one and this one. So the cameras are big pieces, they can go here, screws or small pieces can go here. Okay, so this is one, this is Sunshine SS001A, and second, what else we have? Okay, let's this one, take this one. This one is a wire brush to clean the PCB boards. So it's set of 3. The first has silver wire, I think there's steel wire or something. Okay, okay, now let's check this one. Okay, now this one I'll do after. What is this? This one is iPhone X, XS, XS Max 11, 11 Pro and Pro Max board holder. So let's open this one. Okay, 2 extra plastic bits. Oh, it's 2-side. It is well made board holder. Okay. Okay, now what's this one? Oh, this is Dfu cable. So this is I'll say it's a magic cable. Oh, it also has a magic name as well, Magic 14. So this cable, what it does is actually puts the phone into DFU mode. So let's just check if I have any phone here, so we can test it straight away. Okay, I'll test it with my own phone. So I think we need to switch off the phone first. Okay, once the phone is off, I believe we just connect it and it will boot it in DFU mode. Oh yes. So basically sometime, you know, if the phone power button or any volume button is not working, or sometime if you're struggling to switch on in DFU mode, this is very handy. So I like this one. Okay, let's move to the next part, this one. So this is Android series cable. That's from Sunshine. So it has various connectors. I can see this cable is out. Okay, let me focus it. Yeah, can you see? It's already been out. Okay, let's move to another one. These are special tweezers which I ordered for micro soldering job. I think these ones is for 0.02 mm wire. Yeah, it's very fine tip, very fine tip. Let me try to zoom and show you clearly. I think one I ordered straight and one I ordered curved. So yeah, this is the curved one. It's very fine tip. Okay, let's move to the other product. What is this one? Okay, this is one. This is different one. So these are actually to lift the chips, to clean the glue on the side of the chips for micro soldering. And this, I can't test it now, but it looks like a good quality. This one as well. It's very fine made. And this one as well, to clean the chip. Sometime the chip board or the chip has some bonding or glue or something, to clean that. I think this will be very handy. So what do we have? These are just magnetic pads. This one I just ordered it in case, just for the fun, for the screws to hold. There are some heat resistant tapes. So this size I couldn't find here in UK, so I ordered this one, and with that I ordered these as well, and I think I ordered this as well, yeah, for the same job. That's aluminium tape. So these all to resist heat. So what do we have here? This one, is it in focus? Yeah. Okay, so this one is stencil for iPhone 11. I think it should be all in one for 11 and 11 Pro Max as well, or maybe the 11 is separate and Pro Max is separate. You have to be careful with this. No, actually these, oh, this is from iPhone X to iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it's magnetic, so that's good. And it also has two sides. Yeah, it's iPhone X, XS, XS, Max, 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. So I will let you know the result for this one when I use it. So we have the stencils for 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. It's Mijing. This one is iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Okay. iPhone XS, XS Max. iPhone 12 mini. I even forgot that it also has iPhone 12 as well, iPhone X and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So they all have a locking screw on one side. Okay, so what else we have? This one is for dust removing tape from the screen, or maybe if you're putting screen protector, and just to remove the dust. It's not very sticky, but I think it will do the job because it's only made to lift the dust up. So yeah, side. So what do we have here? Oh, this one is very good stuff. So these are some clamps I ordered. Sometime you are changing a glass, and you know, sometimes you need it to hold the frame. For example, let's just try. So for example, if you have changed the glass and you see that there is a bit gap and you want to hold it, sometime I put tape here, sellotape, but this will be handy that you lock it down, but you need to see the pressure, because sometime if you press too hard you can also break it. So this will do the job, especially when I'm fixing iPad digitizers. So these are just I think maybe non-branded. And these I ordered, what's the company? Kianli, I don't know how to pronounce it. But this looks like a bit premium stuff. Yeah, it does look like a premium stuff. You can see the quality. It's very neat and clean. And this is the max it goes up to. So which means any phone can go inside, I hope. I like this one because the cushion inside, they are soft. I think this one is 4-piece. Was that a 2-piece? 4-piece, yeah. For 8 and 12. I even forgot how many I ordered. Okay, let's move to another item. This one, IBGA Max. IBGA Max. This is actually, yeah, it's also stencil. I don't know if it is magnetic or not. Let's just open it and see. What is this ball? No idea. Or maybe this is the legs. This is for iPhone 11. But I'm just thinking how to put the board in. Is that gonna be this way? Or how the board is going to stay? Okay. Okay. So we have the frame here. It's also magnetic, and the board will go here, and then this one. So it has these little bit locks here, and these holes will come on top of this one. It's fully locked. So it's also good stuff, and it's two sides. So iPhone XS Max, 11 Pro Max, and iPhone X and iPhone 11. And I think these rubbers are for here. If you don't want to use this stencil and you want to put the board like this, so I think these are to put it here to make legs. So it will just lift it a little bit up, so it will not touch it or get dirty. I think even with this on as well. No, I think we have to remove this as well if you want to protect this. And we also have this. I think this is for iPhone XS Max. XS Max, yeah. Okay, next item. Also clamp. This one is just a dust blower. I've been using this dust blower for I think more than 5-6 years, so I thought this is the time to just get a replacement or maybe another one. So I like this one as well. And this one is iPod cable. I think it's for iPhones. No, it's iOS and Android. So again, which one we have here? Okay, it doesn't say anything. So I believe these one, they're iPhone. Oh yeah, it has iPhone 6G, 7, 7 Plus, 6 Plus, 6S Plus. These, nothing. So maybe it has somewhere on the box. iPhone 11 Pro Max. Which one is 11 Pro Max? This one is Android. This one as well, Android. Maybe these ones? No. Yeah, this one is iPhone 8-11. So which means iPhone 8, 8 Plus, X, XS Max, they all have same connector. iPhone 11 Pro Max. And which one is this? No idea. Okay. We will try this soon. So now the next item is also a board holder. This one I ordered it actually to use for Android and iPhone boards. So this one is from Mechanic. Let me try to zoom the camera and see if you can see more clearly. Yeah, so you can open this and it goes all the way up to here, I think. And I believe this is also good for chip cleaning as well, in case if you have any chip to clean. Yeah, it holds perfectly fine. It's heavy, so good quality stuff. Okay, let's try with the board. If I have any mainboard. I think this is iPhone 8 mainboard. Let's try to put it in and see. Yeah, it's holding it very properly, very strongly, very steady. So it's also a pass from me. Let's try to put the Android board. Yeah, that's also steady. So this is pass as well. I think it's about maybe 1 to 2 kg heavy. Welcome back, guys. I just took a quick tea break, so let's carry on with the rest of the parts. This one, Spudger. So this I will be using to remove the glass from the phone, or it can also be used to remove the frame as well. So it's very thin. It's not very thin, but I think it will do the job. Yeah. So sometime if you have a tablet or something and you want to remove the glass, so this will be handy tool. The next item, okay, this one. There's so many parts in this one. Let's see one by one. These are some fine tweezers. Let me open. Yeah, it's very fine tip. Let's try to hold the hair. Yeah. You can see. Very fine tweezer. So I like this one. I ordered 2. So these are called 2UUL3D tweezers. Some more clamps. It's not very high quality, but it will do the job. And these, they move as well. Let's try to use it on an iPad. I have one open iPad just for the demonstrate purpose. Don't worry, it's a broken screen anyways. Okay. Oops. So it has a good amount of force actually. which I was not expecting. That's why I ordered the rest of the other two one as well, and if you can see, it is doing the perfect job. So this is also pass. Yeah, perfectly holding, and it's snapped. Okay, now basically this will go into this. It clips inside. So that's not bad. It comes off as well. Okay, so still pass. So what else we have? We have some thermal paste, low melting thermal paste. I ordered two different companies. One is Mechanic and one is Pro Paste, PPD Pro Paste. Let me actually take everything out and then one by one I will check it. So this one is Mechanic 183 degree low temperature, low melting solder. This one is also Mechanic, and this one is 217 degree. The third one is also Mechanic, and this one is 158 degree. Fourth one is also Mechanic, and that's 138 degree. So these are actually, some of them I'll be using for iPhone X to iPhone 12 Pro Max. And this one is PPD Pro Paste. This one is 217 degree, and we have here 183 degree and 138 degree. So these are all solder paste. .10 wire for jumpering inside the IC chips. Then we have here this one. I will actually show you with its own product. This is a part of one piece, one of the item I bought. Again, this one, they are all opening tools. 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, 5 opening tool. These are some guitar picks I ordered. Sometime you're opening the phone and phone screen or maybe glass, and you know, you use it. All the repair guys knows what this is for. So it's not very thin, it's not thick, but I think it's a reasonable size. These are also opening tools. and these I can see is very thin. It's 0.04, 0.04, 0.04. I think they're all 0.04. Okay, let's open one and see. It's actually thinner than... So these actually, they are very thin. It's like a paper, and I was not expecting this, but it is a good tool. I think it will get bent. Let's just try without heating up. Just let me use a little bit alcohol. The screen is already broken anyways, and see if it goes inside. Yeah, I am impressed with this tool. Okay, let's try a bit more and see if it opens it without damaging the screen. Obviously you have to know which kind of screen this is, and how you need to use the tool, and where you have to put this tool in. So as you can see, it has gone inside, so this is also passed from me. Yeah, it has easily opened the screen. So it's a good investment. I ordered more because I was thinking maybe it's too thin and it will break, so that's why I ordered all this. Okay, let's try this one. This one is, again, I don't know how to say, Skianli, whatever. I have the thermal cam as well for this brand. So this is also a very thin kind of a blade type. It's not sharp, but let's try if it goes in. I think it has a connection here. Yeah. That's also a good stuff. So it's pass. So far, no regret. What else we have now? Let's open this one. I repair. what do we have here? I think it's maybe something P10. Is it that? Oh yes, I repair P10. So this one is basically to fix iOS iOS devices. If you have any, if I'm not wrong, Nand issue or any I think Nand issue, something like that. And what is this for? Maybe for shortening. Okay, we will find out when I use this device. And this is actually an adapter for this device to connect with iPad. If you have any iPad and it has any NAND error, I believe. So this will go here and this whole connector will go into iPad. So all these tools I will be using in my upcoming videos, and one by one I will be using each and every tool and show you each and every tool in detail. So there's so many videos are coming. So now we have this one, short killer. So this is Sunshine short killer. They had two different companies, so I chose this one. So that's a power cable and positive and negative. So it comes with this. So these probes actually, one is positive, which will go here. One is negative. So this you will connect to ground, and this is to inject the power in PCB board, and I can see the tip is very fine tip. Let me show you here. It's very fine tip. So we will be using this as well in our future videos. But they sent me EU plug. I ordered the UK plug basically. Okay, go back. We don't have space here, we don't have space. Okay, next we have desoldering stations for iPhone X, 11 and 11 Pro Max. Okay, let me adjust the camera a bit. Yeah. So I think this one is main unit. Let's put it on side. So this one is Sunshine T12A. That's a main unit. So that is to control the temperature. I think it goes up to 200 degrees. And this one is power cable, I think. Again, with this as well, they send me EU plug. So one side will go here, and the second side will go in one of these heating panel. I only ordered 2 heating panel for iPhone X, XS Max, XS, and iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. So these as well I will be using in my upcoming videos, and then I will let you know the result. This one is for, I think, iPhone X, XS and XS Max, and the other one was for iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. Let's just open and see. It is a bit heavy, and this is a solid rubber. Good stuff. Sorry guys, I'm packing back because it's gonna be too much for me after the video to pack everything back in. Almost finished. We are almost finished. Okay, now these I've showed you the very first item. These are all boxes. I ordered about 20 boxes. Let's open this one. I think you all can guess what this is. This is Efi Padlock. So this basically is for Macs and laptops for EFI locks or BIOS. So yes, we will be using this as well in our upcoming videos. Let's just open and see what is inside. So we have a main unit, USB cable, and some connectors. I believe these are for Macs, and these we can use with laptops and also some old Mac mainboards. and this one is to, I think we have to connect this on the MacBook to one of the pin number 8, I believe, to get the reading in the machine. So yeah, another good handy tool. Okay, next, what we have next. So only 3 items left. So this is something I did not really wanted to buy, but I just liked it actually. There's no any other reason for me to buy, because let me open this one. So this is basically kind of a clamping tool for tablets, iPhones and iPads. So it has a soft cushion on one side and one side here, and then I think it has some screws to, yeah. So how does it work actually? Basically the iPad will go inside, and then you will be clamping this to hold the digitizer. It's kind of a this kind of scenario. I think it's kind of a show off to use when you can, this can do the job, this can do the job. I also believe these are something extra. You can also use tape as well. I also use rubber as well, rubber band. So this is just kind of a maybe mobile interior, a workshop interiors. Anyways, if I make this, it's gonna take too much time, but I believe this will be going here in between, and the screw will be going here, yeah. And it has so shall I make it? Okay, let's make it. I will fast forward the video. So basically that's how you will make it. There are 2 extra boards. That's the good news. So this is what the item is. So you will put the iPad here, then clamp this one. So let's try. I'm using kind of a bit force to see what really happens. as you can see, these ones, they are soft cushion, so I don't think it will damage the iPad. So I don't know if I'll be having that much time to put the iPad in and screw and all. Sometime I just put the tape and just put it here on the side. Just I like this item, that's why I ordered it. Okay, so now we have 3 items left, and all these 3 items, they are actually, I will just show you here instead of on my table. I don't have space there. So these 3 items, 1, 2 and that 3 is basically their mobile holders. It's a rack, a stand, anything you can call it. So this basically is a 24 pieces mobile holding unit. So guys, this is what the last item is. So this is a mobile holding. So I bought it to use, actually one for repairing phones, like before repairing all the booking jobs will be going in this one, and then all done jobs will be going to another one. Then I have, this is 24 phones, I think. Yeah, yeah, 24 phones can go in, and the other one, the bigger one, I think is 48 phones. So that's it for today. Thank you very much again for watching my video, for subscribing, for liking my video, and I really appreciate your time as well, and thank you for all the love and support, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.